Welcome back to CarWow 787, the home for every car enthusiast who loves power, precision, and pure driving passion. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our future car reviews and updates. Today, we're diving into something truly special: the rebirth of a legend. Yes, the all-new 2026 Honda S2000. A car that brings back the spirit of old-school driving thrills, reimagined for the modern era. The Honda S2000 was first introduced in 1999, and it became an icon among sports car lovers for one simple reason: it was raw, lightweight, and perfectly balanced. Now, after years of rumors, concept leaks, and speculation, Honda is finally reviving the S2000 for 2026, and trust me, this one's not just a nostalgia trip, it's a complete revolution. Let's start with what makes the new S2000 stand out. The design immediately grabs your attention. It's unmistakably Honda, but also futuristic and aerodynamic in every curve. The front end features slim LED headlights that merge into a sharp nose design inspired by the NSX, while the wide front grille and aggressive air intakes give it a bold and powerful look. The side profile is sleek and sculpted, with flowing lines that make it look fast even when it's standing still. And at the rear, the LED taillights stretch across the body, connected by a subtle spoiler that adds both style and downforce. The 2026 S2000 stays true to its roadster roots with a lightweight aluminum body and a retractable soft top that opens in just 6 seconds. Honda's engineers focused on weight reduction, achieving a curb weight of around 1,300 kilograms, making it one of the lightest sports cars in its class. That's right, this machine is built for drivers who love the feeling of control, connection, and pure performance. Under the hood, things get really exciting. The 2026 Honda S2000 comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter VTEC engine, a new generation of Honda's legendary powertrain technology. It produces a stunning 320 horsepower and 310 Nm of torque, sending all that power to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission. Yes, you heard that right. Honda listened to its fans and kept the manual alive. For those who prefer convenience, there's also an optional 8-speed dual-clutch automatic. This engine isn't just powerful, it's smart. Thanks to Honda's new hybrid assist system, the S2000 offers instant torque and improved fuel efficiency. It can go from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.7 seconds and reach a top speed of 270 km/h. Combine that with a finely tuned suspension setup, adaptive dampers, and near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, and you have a car that feels glued to the road in every corner. The driving experience of the 2026 S2000 is what makes it so special. It's designed for those who love to drive. The steering is razor-sharp, the throttle response is instant, and the chassis feels alive, communicating every detail of the road. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or hitting the track, this car makes you feel connected like few modern cars can. Let's talk interior. Inside, Honda has taken a minimalist yet modern approach. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a digital instrument cluster that changes colors based on driving mode, a floating infotainment screen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and high-quality materials all around. The sports seats are wrapped in Alcantara and leather, providing excellent support for spirited driving. There's even a small nod to the original S2000, a red start button that brings the engine to life with a satisfying growl. Technology-wise, the 2026 S2000 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with Honda's latest Sensing 360 system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, and traffic sign recognition. Even though it's a pure sports car at heart, it still offers the safety and connectivity features of a modern-day Honda. Honda has also focused on aerodynamics and efficiency. The underbody has been completely redesigned to reduce drag and improve cooling, while the active rear spoiler automatically adjusts based on speed to maintain stability. The engineers claim that this generation S2000 delivers 15% better fuel efficiency than previous performance models, proving that fun doesn't have to come at the cost of efficiency. One of the most impressive aspects of the new S2000 is how customizable it is. Honda offers multiple trim levels, from the base model for purists to a high-performance Type R edition with a 2.0-liter turbo pushing closer to 370 horsepower. The Type R version includes upgraded brakes, carbon fiber accents, a track-tuned suspension, and a unique red-black interior theme. The color options are stunning, too. You can get the S2000 in vibrant shades like Sonic Blue, Phoenix Yellow, Lunar Silver, and, of course, Championship White, but the fan favorite seems to be the new Crimson Red Pearl, which looks absolutely breathtaking under sunlight. Honda has priced the 2026 S2000 competitively. It's expected to start around $45,000 for the base model and go up to $60,000 for the fully loaded Type R trim. That puts it right in the middle of the competition against the Toyota GR Supra, Nissan Z, and Mazda MX-5 RF. But with Honda's engineering and heritage, it's hard not to see this as a future favorite among enthusiasts. What makes the 2026 S2000 truly special is its soul. In a world where cars are becoming more automated, heavier, and digital, Honda has brought back something raw and emotional. A car that rewards skill, not just speed. It's a perfect blend of old-school driving excitement and modern technology. The return of the Honda S2000 proves that Honda still knows how to make a car for drivers. It's not about luxury or bragging rights. It's about the connection between human and machine. And that's something the car world has been missing for a long time. If you've been waiting for a modern roadster that combines lightweight performance, precision handling, and Honda reliability, the 2026 S2000 is the answer. Whether you're an old-school Honda fan or a new-generation car lover, this machine is bound to steal your heart. And that wraps up today's deep dive into the 2026 Honda S2000. What do you think about this comeback? Has Honda created a new legend? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CarWow 787, where we bring you the most exciting car reviews, concept reveals, and future car updates every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep driving with passion.